Hello everyone. Today I want to tell you about my experience. When I try to open ChatGPT, there is an information about please unblock challenge.coldfair.com to proceed. So, what's wrong with it? What should we do about it? Uh, I try to open ChatGPT in another browser and the result is same. So I want to try to check by visiting Indonesian domain ejournal.uinsa.ac.id, and I found significant information that is called fatal error in Frankfurt. Yeah. So this is information from the Google. What happened? There is an internal server error or on Cloudflare network. And what can I do? You don't have to do anything. Just please try again in few minutes. So this is something. Can you resolve it? Can you resolve? Yeah. So what should you do? Just wait. Yeah, just wait. I think it's an information for me. So yeah, have a nice day, everybody, everyone.